Hey everyone, Nick here with Vibes. We're at one of our smaller showrooms, a more designer-focused showroom, and I wanted to show you something for this Tech Tuesday. So what I'm showcasing here on this Samsung Frame TV is the Frame My TV frames. These are meant for the Samsung Frame TV, which is obviously a very popular TV in our industry. The reason we're showcasing this in our space that's designer focused is obviously what these bring to the table as far as aesthetics go. Traditionally, you'd have just this black frame on that Samsung Frame TV. So if all we did was pull it out of the box and stick it on the wall, this is what you would get. But you notice after I throw on one of these corner pieces, you notice how that picture really starts to pop. There's a ton of different options when it comes to what the designer, the client can choose from, what aesthetic they're going for. As it can go, as thick as 3 inches like this one, or we can do as slim as the slimline options, which are aluminum frames. We have a few different colors of these. But if you look over here, these are all of our kind of thicker options. So something that's really gonna make that TV pop. So you'll notice this one's like almost like a porcelain white. And the detail looks like really nice trim work that they would have in their home. So we can simply just grab this 1x1 corner piece and we can show the client or that designer what that's gonna look like when it's on their wall at their house. I would say 90% of the time we do a Samsung Frame TV, it's getting one of these frames to really bring that TV to life when it's in art mode. So if this is something you're interested in, give us a call at Vibes.